Hello, I'm Roland Horn, Technical Program Chairman of the World Geothermal Congress, and this short video is to help you learn how to prepare your paper for the World Geothermal Congress. So what we will cover in this video is a few items that you need to understand. Firstly, the use of the mandatory template for preparation of your paper. Secondly, how to make use of styles so that all the papers for the Congress will be consistent with each other and within each paper. And then finally, I have some points to make about how to prepare the figures and the tables and things like that. So first of all, let's go to the website. And after you've logged into the website of the World Geothermal Congress, I draw your attention to the author instructions. Those author instructions, which I would ask you to read carefully please, include a link to the template, and it's required that you use this template to prepare your paper. Once again, the purpose for this is so that the papers all look alike within the Congress. You find this link to the template web page. There are some instructions there about how to save it. If you click on the link, which is shown here, then the template will be downloaded as a .dot file. If you click on that link, in many versions of Word, it will open as not a .dot file but a doc file. So this is a blank document making use of the template that you can use to prepare your paper. You'll need to change it, enable it for editing, and then this blank document is available for you to prepare your paper. Now, before we begin, the first suggestion that I would make to you is to switch on the display of the paragraph marks. You'll find in Word there is a link up here at the top that enables you to actually see the paragraph marks in the document. The reason this is useful, if I turn it off, you'll see that it's difficult for us to know where the lines are broken, whether there's a single space, double space, etc., where the section breaks are, where the page breaks are, etc. And switching on the paragraph marks enables you to see exactly how the document is spaced. Now, secondly, let's turn our attention to styles. Styles are a very useful feature in Word that enable you to have a consistent appearance so that all of your headings have the same format and all of them will look alike without having you needing to remember whether you underline the title and the subtitle, whether it's uppercase, lowercase, bold, etc. So you'll notice, for example, in the template there's an indication of which styles you should be using. Clicking on the abstract heading reveals that this is displayed in heading style. That defines its fonts, etc. If we look at a subheading, you'll see that that subheading is in heading 2 style and the subheading is in heading 3 style. And up here in the ribbon at the top of the page, those styles are actually indicated which is being used for that particular paragraph. There are several styles used within a World Geothermal Congress template document. Not all of them are shown in this ribbon. In order to see the others, you may need to click on this box on the right hand side, which lists all of the available styles. So you'll see, for example, the title of the document is in title style. The author list is in author style. The address is in address style. And then down here at the end of the document, you'll see the references are in reference style. And that causes them to be spaced out the way they should be. Okay, now this document should be used directly to prepare your paper. So you can type your text directly into the document. whatever it might be, as you're proceeding with your preparation. In addition, or instead, you can, if you wish to, just paste sections of the text into this document. So for example, if I have another separate document, I could take this text from a separate document and I could copy it and paste it into the document I'm working with. But we need to do that carefully so that the styles are not lost. So instead of doing a direct paste, we will do a right click here and it can be pasted. This is a paste special, can be done in several different ways, keeping the source, that's the original document, or actually taking the template style from the current document. That's the one we want. We want to use the second one, merging the formatting, and what you'll see is that now that title remains in title style as defined in our document. Similarly, I could do the same thing with the abstract of this paper. So I could copy that one and I can overwrite the document that I'm using right here. Once again, using the merge formatting style. Now in this example, you will be able to see one of the advantages of displaying the paragraph marks, because here you see the material I pasted had a double line space, which we don't want in our document because the line spacing is controlled by the style. So I can remove those line spaces and the document will be spaced correctly as defined by the style. And then finally I can remove my little help notes that specify the styles that we are in. Okay, so when you've finished the document, you can save it to a location. The name is not necessarily important. I'm just going to put it on the desktop. And then we're ready to upload the file. So coming back to the website, you will see under your title there is a button for uploading the document. Now before you upload the document, it's important for you to make sure that the title, the authors, and the abstract are consistent with the actual paper itself. So I will repaste the abstract that I just pasted into the paper itself. I should also correct the title and the authors. Then I'm ready to upload. So I can choose the file off my computer. That file was called Steam. And click Upload. And following the upload, there will be an automatic conversion into PDF. It may either occur immediately or it may be deferred for as much as 2 or 3 days as the server makes a conversion. So that's all there is to it. I hope you find this helpful in the preparation of your manuscript, and we look forward to receiving your paper.